Under the cover of night, a mysterious silhouette takes to the skies, its presence felt rather than seen. The owl, with eyes that shine like lanterns in the dark, is a master of the shadows. Their large, round eyes are perfectly adapted to gather and focus what little light is available, and a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum helps to amplify even the faintest glows. As they take to the air, owls become silent hunters, their specialized feathers allowing them to fly with an almost eerie stealth. The soft, fringed edges of their feathers reduce noise, making them nearly undetectable as they swoop and dive through the darkness. But it's not just their vision and silent flight that make owls formidable predators. Their acute hearing is also a key to their success. They can detect the faintest sounds and pinpoint the source with uncanny accuracy, allowing them to locate prey even in the darkest of nights. That's all for today, folks. Till next time, stay curious.